In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to grade Moodle forums with ratings. If you are new to Moodle forums, you may wish to view the forums video in the playlist and come back to view this video later. Grading with ratings means you can assign points to each forum post individually, as opposed to whole forum grading. To get started, from your Moodle course page, select the forum that you would like to grade. From here, I can select individual student posts. Because I had chosen the sum of ratings option in my settings, I can assign points to each posting out of a total for the entire forum. Once I've assigned points, they will be added together and posted to the Moodle gradebook. The number of points I assign cannot exceed the total. For more information about forums and grading, you can consult our help documents. Or you can click the Get Help button at the top of any Moodle page.